I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? How about you back there? Are you ready down there? Are you ready? Oh yeah, that's right. It's just you right there. Let's get ready for board math. Here we go, boys and girls. All together with B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Remember, you guys, read along with me. What number is it? 32. How do we write a 32? A 3 for the tens, a 2 for the ones, 32. What number comes next? 42, 43, 44. How do we write a 44? A 4 for the tens and a 4 for the ones. 80, 90, 100. How do we write a 100? A 1 for the 100s, a 0 for the tens, and a 0 for the ones. 100. How many do you see? Ooh, that's a mess. But I think I can see a spiral if we stay on the spiral. Touch them as we go. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How do we write a 17? A 1 for the tens and a 7 for the ones. 17. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First question, are they equal? Are they the same? No, they're not. But look at the tens. They both have 2 tens. We can get rid of those. Now it just leaves the 0 in the ones and the 2 in the ones. So which one is bigger or greater? 2 is greater than 0. So we're going to eat that. Now we'll take those 2's back that we crossed out and we say 20 is less than 22. They both have 2 tens, but 22 has 2 ones and 20 has 0 ones. Number sentences. Remember, we're going down, okay? 5 plus 5 equals. Do your mental math. Use your fingers or your pictures. Start with your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus means more. How many more? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. That's a 10 frame. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well, we put the 0 right here underneath, and we put our 1 over here. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay. 4 plus 6 equals. Mental math or our fingers. Using pictures, start with our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus means more. How many more? 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 10 frame again. There's 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Here we put our 0. And then we move over for our tens place. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals. Do your mental math. Do your fingers. Or your pictures. Start with your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus means to bring in more. How many more? 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There's that 10 frame again. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Put your 0 right underneath. Move over to your tens place to put in your 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. How many in the 10 frames? Well, this top one's not full. The bottom one's empty. So let's figure out how many in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are in the 10 frames? There's 5. How many more to make 20? 20 is 2 tens. We don't have any tens yet, so we got to build them up so we have 2 tens. So we've got our 5. We got to keep going to find out how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 more we need to make 20. How do we write a 15? A 1 for the 10 and 5 more ones makes 15. Okay? What shape is it? It's a rectangle. Okay? But what is the rectangle made of? The rectangle's made of 2 squares, but the overall outside, if we take this part away, is going to be a rectangle. How do you know? Well, it's flat, remember, and that's 2-dimensional or 2D. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 4 vertices or corners. And it has 1, 2 longer sides. And it has 1, 2 shorter sides. 2 shorter sides. And that makes it a rectangle. What shapes do you see? Okay, let's go back into that forest we were in yesterday. It's a new page for it. We remember that these trees, if we look at the tree trunk and everything, it's a cylinder. Well, I see this circle that's made for the picture, but look at those berries. What shape are those berries? They would be a sphere. Okay? They're 3-dimensional. They're round all over. They don't have any faces. So they're a sphere. Good job, you guys. Word problem. Carter has 3 pencils. Johnny has 3 more pencils than Carter. How many pencils does Johnny have? Okay, you can do your mental math, but let's go back and think about this. Carter has 3 pencils. Okay, Johnny has 3 more pencils than Carter. How many pencils does Johnny have? Okay. So we've done our mental math, but we've got to work this problem out now, just to check. So we start off with Carter. How many pencils does Carter have? He has 3 pencils. So I'm just going to do some lines for pencils. 1, 2, 3. Johnny has 3 more pencils than Carter. So we're going to have Johnny, and Johnny has 3 more pencils than Carter. So he has the same amount as Carter. 1, 2, 3, but he also has 3 more than Carter. So he's got those same as Carter, but he has 3 more. So we got to add in 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils does Johnny have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because he has the 3 that Carter has plus 3 more. When it says has 3 more than, we got to add, equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6 pencils. Okay? We're getting into some bigger problems. You guys can do it. All it takes is a little bit of thinking and a little bit of time. Keep it up, you guys. I did amazing. Did you do amazing? How about you? Were you doing? Yep. Oh yeah, it's just you. You did amazing. Great job, you guys. Let's keep it up and have fun with our board math. See you guys later.